Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on Samsung Galaxy A56, A36 and A26. So here I have a Galaxy A46, but it's the same also for the other two models. And if you want to take a screenshot on this phone, I will show you 4 ways to do it. Now, the first one and the easiest one is to push together volume down and the side button like this. And here we have the screenshot, and from here you can edit, tag it, share it, or use AI. Let me show you again. So volume down and the side button push together, and here we have the screenshot. Now, the second way, for that you need to go on your phone to settings, and here just go down and tap on advanced features, and here we have motions and gestures. Tap on it and go down, and here is palm swipe to capture, and these features needs to be enabled, and you can swipe the edge of your hand across the screen to take a screenshot, and let me show you how to do it. So use your hand, touch the screen and swipe to the right like this. And here is the screenshot. It is very easy. Let me show you again. So use your hand, touch the screen and swipe, and we have a screenshot. Now, the third way, for that you need to go to the top to the quick access panel, and here tap on the edit icon, tap here on edit again, and here we have the icon for take screenshot. Now, you need to push and hold on this icon and move it here. And now tap done again and exit. And now to take a screenshot, you can use the quick access panel. Just go to the top, swipe again and tap on take screenshot. And here is the screenshot. Okay. Now, the last way, for that you can use the edge panels. And let me show you how to do it. Again, you need to go to settings, and here go down and go to display. Here there is. Go down again, and here we have edge panels. Of course, this option needs to be enabled. Tap to go inside, and here we have panels. Now it's selected only apps. Tap to go inside, and here select also tasks. You can tap here on edit, and as you can see here we have take screenshot. Okay, now I will go back and I will exit, and to take a screenshot now just go to the edge panels, swipe again, and here is the take screenshot icon. Tap on it, and here is the screenshot. Okay, now to see all the screenshots, just go to the gallery, and here there are. So we have 4 ways to take a screenshot. You can choose whatever you want. You can tell me also in the comment area what is your favorite way. I hope this video to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.